Hi, Steve.
Hi,
I
Stephen.
scheduled this
Scheduling
appointment
this
because it's been a
appointment
while
because it has been a while
since we touched
since we touched
base.
this.
I know, I've been
I
really
have been
busy.
very busy.
A friend
A
of mine
friend of
works on
mine
the school
works on the
paper.
school
He
paper.
asked me
He
if I'd like
asked
to try
me
reporting, so I did, and I really love it.
it.
Hey, that sounds
Hey,
great.
that's so
Yeah,
great.
the
Yeah, it
first
was the
article
first
I wrote,
article.
it was a
It was the
profile of the
profile
chemistry
of the chemistry
professor, the one
professor,
who
the
was
one
named
who
Teacher
was
of the
named
Year.
Teacher of the
My
Year.
article ran on
One
the
of them
front
on the front
page.
page.
When I saw my
When I saw
name,
my
I mean
name,
my byline
my
in print,
byline
I
in
was
print,
hooked.
I was hooked.
Now I know this
And
is what I
now
want to
this is
do.
what I
Be a
do. Be a
reporter.
Isn't
reporter.
it great to discover something that you really enjoy?
enjoy?
And I read that article too. It was very good.
It was very good.
To be
To be
honest, the
honest,
article got
the
lots of
article got
editing.
lots of
In
editing.
fact,
In
I
fact,
barely
I barely
recognized a
recognized
couple
a
of
couple of
paragraphs.
paragraphs.
But the editor
But the
explained
editor
why the
explained
changes
why
were
the
made.
changes were
I
made.
learned a
I
lot,
learned a
and
lot.
my second
My
article
second
didn't
article
need
didn't
nearly
need
as many
nearly as
changes.
many changes.
Sounds like you've got a real
Sounds like
knack
you got
for
a real
this.
knack
Yeah.
for this.
Anyway, I'm glad you scheduled this meeting because I want to change my major to journalism now.
Journalism.
The university
The
doesn't
university
offer a
doesn't
major
offer
in
major in
journalism.
journalism.
Oh no.
But
I mean, should I
I mean,
transfer
should I
to another
transfer to another
school or major in
major
English?
well, wait a
No,
minute.
wait a minute.
Let me explain
What
why
makes
the
a
major
major
isn't offered.
is offered?
Editors at
Editors at the
newspapers,
newspaper.
editors,
Editors.
I mean, when you apply
When you
for a
apply for a
reporting job,
job,
editors look at
editors
two
look at
things.
two things.
They want to see
They want to
clips,
see
some of
clips,
your published
some of your
articles.
published articles.
They'll also want
They
you to
also
try
want to
out.
try out.
They'll give you an
They'll give
assignment,
you
like
an assignment,
covering a press
covering a
conference or
piece,
some other event. Then see if you can craft a story about it accurately, on deadline.
So they don't even look at my major?
It's not that they don't look at it,
it's
well, having a degree in something other than journalism should actually work to your advantage.
How?
Most journalists
journalists
specialize these days. They only write about science or business or technology, for example. Is there a type of reporting you think you might like to specialize in?
Well, I think it'd be really cool to cover the Supreme Court. I mean, their decisions affect so many people.
Well, that's really a goal worth striving for. So why not continue majoring in political science? And as electives, you could take some pre-law classes, like constitutional law. And as for your work on the student newspaper, maybe they'd let you cover some local court cases, ones that students and professors here would want to read about.
Do you know of any?
Well, I do, actually. There's a case involving this computer software program that one of our professors wrote. The district court's deciding if the university is entitled to any of the professor's profits.
Wow, I'll definitely follow up on that. Okay, that...
Hi, Steve. I scheduled this appointment because it's been a while since we touched base.
I know, I've been really busy. A friend of mine works on the school paper. He asked me if I'd like to try reporting, so I did, and I really love it.
Hey, that sounds great.
Yeah, the first article I wrote, it was a profile of the chemistry professor, the one who was named Teacher of the Year. My article ran on the front page. When I saw my name, I mean my byline in print, I was hooked. Now I know this is what I want to do. Be a reporter.
Isn't it great to discover something that you really enjoy? And I read that article too. It was very good.
To be honest, the article got lots of editing. In fact, I barely recognized a couple of paragraphs. But the editor explained why the changes were made. I learned a lot. And my second article didn't need nearly as many changes.
Sounds like you've got a real knack for this.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm glad you scheduled this meeting because I want to change my major to journalism now.
The university doesn't offer a major in journalism.
Oh no.
But
I mean, should I transfer to another school or major in English?
well, wait a minute. Let me explain why the major isn't offered. Editors at newspapers, when you apply for a reporting job, editors look at two things. They want to see clips, some of your published articles. They'll also want you to try out. They'll give you an assignment, like covering a press conference or some other event. Then see if you can craft a story about it accurately, on deadline.
So they don't even look at my major?
It's not that they don't look at it, it's, well, having a degree in something other than journalism should actually work to your advantage.
How?
Most journalists specialize these days. They only write about science or business or technology, for example. Is there a type of reporting you think you might like to specialize in?
Well, I think it'd be really cool to cover the Supreme Court. I mean, their decisions affect so many people.
Well, that's really a goal worth striving for. So why not continue majoring in political science? And as electives, you could take some pre-law classes, like constitutional law. And as for your work on the student newspaper, maybe they'd let you cover some local court cases, ones that students and professors here would want to read about.
Do you know of any?
Well, I do, actually. There's a case involving this computer software program that one of our professors wrote. The district court's deciding if the university is entitled to any of the professor's profits.
Wow, I'll definitely follow up on that.
This time we talked about ink